Hello and welcome to the Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions for Account Managers course. In this course, you will examine the features, functions, advantages, and benefits of Cisco's collaboration solutions for midsize businesses, including Cisco's flagship offer, the Cisco Business Edition 6000. You will gain an understanding of the Cisco Business Edition 6000 collaboration services that can improve the customer business case and reduce total cost of ownership. This course includes the following modules: Business Drivers for Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions, Understanding the Value of Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions, Increasing the Value of Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions, and Best Practices, Business Use Cases, and Sales Support Resources. Let's move on to the first module, Business Drivers for Cisco Midsize Collaboration Solutions. In this module, we'll discuss the following topics: requirements for new business capabilities, customer pain points and challenges, evolution and relevance of collaboration and reveal collaboration challenges, and opportunities in the midsize market. Let's start by looking at the changing requirements for new business capabilities. At Cisco, collaboration is about different people and teams coming together, communicating with each other, and working together toward a common goal. The figure illustrates some of the technologies that businesses are using to support collaboration. Collaboration can be as simple as an email, a phone call, a text message, or chat. Collaboration can be people coming together in a project room with a screen to share information, or a phone or video conference to involve remote attendees. You can also collaborate with others in a call or a web conference from a smartphone, laptop, or tablet. And when you collaborate, you can include people outside your organization to find a solution to help your customers, partners, and suppliers. Now, you might be thinking, my customers are collaborating fine today. Why do I need these tools? And how will they help my customer meet its goals and business objectives? Let's think about what's happening in the workplace that might cause you to reimagine how your customers are collaborating. How have your customers' work environments changed in recent years? What trends do you anticipate in their work environments? In the past, employees did a lot more individual work. Today, work has become far more interdependent. The vast majority of employees report an increase in work that requires active collaboration. Many employees were part of fixed, long-term teams with defined roles and responsibilities. Today, the teams are far more flexible and agile. For example, in the past, you may have worked with colleagues in your immediate team or location on long-term strategic plans with stable reporting lines. Today, many organizations are involved in multiple quarterly projects and initiatives that span multifunctional teams. In fact, today, self-forming flash teams are short-lived and focused on point-in-time initiatives. In the past, employees worked in the same office, but today, people are working from anywhere. According to Frost & Sullivan market research in 2014, almost 25% of employees are remote or mobile workers. Collaboration technology helps ensure that remote and mobile employees are adequately engaged and can support business continuity strategy, for example, in case of adverse weather events. But these changes are not limited to the way employees engage with each other. Your customers' expectations of good service are also changing. Fueled by anytime, any place, and device always-on connectivity, and compounded by busy, time-limited personal lives, your customers want the power to get what they need whenever they want it from a variety of sources, and you want to give them that power. But allocating resources in this new world of anytime, anywhere, any device access can be challenging. At one time, your sales desk or customer service desk could predict the volume and timing of incoming customer calls and staff accordingly. Different regions called at different times. Some people called from work, while others called from home after dinner. You could staff cost-effectively according to predicted call volumes. Has your company committed to mobile? In 2014, Gartner reported that less than 5% of organizations had a mobile customer service strategy. By 2015, Gartner reported that at least 60% of Internet users opt for mobile customer service as their first option. Customers are also using online resources like Twitter, Facebook, search engines, forums, and online communities to gather information about a product or service. Once customers gather information about that product or service, they reach out to the contact center to get their final few questions answered and perhaps to place an order. Mobility has changed the requirements for allocating call center resources. Customers make calls while waiting in traffic or when they have a few extra minutes between meetings, which means that call volumes vary unpredictably. Social media has also sparked a significant change in customer behavior, especially in the area of customer complaints. In the past, customers complained to neighbors and friends. Now, a complaint can go viral through a social media channel and create a public relations nightmare. Small and mid-sized businesses pride themselves on their customer intimacy and responsiveness, so keeping up with these new communications channels is a vitally important strategic differentiator. If you're not serving your customers across multiple channels, you can be sure that someone else is. Do you see opportunities to differentiate your customer experience and disrupt the industry in which you operate? Over recent years, mid-sized businesses with up to 1,000 employees have been the unsung heroes of the global economy, driving economic growth and job creation. But business leaders are certainly not complacent. In the digital economy, these leaders realize that their businesses need to move faster than ever to remain ahead of the competition. When Cisco talks to leaders of mid-sized businesses, they're increasingly confident about the economic outlook, but the issues you see here concern them. Ask yourself if any of these issues are priorities for your customers. Do your customers have key performance indicators or KPIs and targets in these areas against which you're reimbursed? The importance of collaboration has never been greater for businesses and organizations. For organizations to reach the next level of productivity and innovation, they need better collaboration with employees, partners, and customers. You probably hear this urgency from your customers because personal productivity is not as important as harnessing team productivity. According to a Corporate Executive Board or CEB study, business leaders believe they need 20% higher performance from employees to reach their current business goals. But achieving that 20% increase is not about perfecting individual performance and making individuals work harder. It will come from increasing team performance, and Cisco believes that collaboration technologies will play a key role. Across all industries and company sizes, Cisco customers are seeing collaboration benefits including cost reduction, increased customer satisfaction, better employee engagement, increased productivity, growth, and faster innovation through better interaction with employees, partners, and customers. There's no better time for your customers to work with Cisco to reimagine your organization's goals by enhancing collaboration for all of your stakeholders. Let's examine some customer pain points and challenges. The world has changed. It's becoming a hyper-competitive place, and even worse, the pace of change is accelerating. As an example, let's consider the lifetime of products or product categories. Less than 10 years ago, the first iPhone was introduced, and look at how much the smartphone world has changed since that time. The world is experiencing an information explosion. Knowledge is available to everyone at the click of a button. It doesn't matter what you need to know. Just search the internet. Knowledge is commoditized very quickly. The same thing can happen to competitive differentiation. The barriers to competition are eroding. Everyone has access to technology and the knowledge to build and differentiate their products and services. The companies that stay ahead of the curve are building a unique environment and culture that fosters employee creativity, passion, and the innovation needed to create differentiation. Cisco believes that a company that embraces collaboration can move faster than the world around it. There are many different studies confirming this situation. The May 2015 KMPG Global CEO Outlook talks about the concerns of company CEOs. As you can see here, CEO concerns span a wide variety of challenges, including customer loyalty, new technologies, the effect of competitors on the business, and maintaining the relevance of products and services over time. To grow and remain relevant, even as numerous disruptors transform the world around them, CEOs are looking for ways to transform their businesses, some more drastically than others. In fact, almost 30% of CEOs globally expect their organizations to be significantly different entities in 3 years, with transformation efforts focused on business strategy and the business model and operating model. When it comes to ensuring that there are no limits to their future growth prospects, CEOs must begin to execute initiatives that will transform their businesses into what they need to be in the future. While having a vision for the future is critical, CEOs need to start putting the people, processes, and technologies in place today that will ensure that they can achieve their objectives in the future. All of these issues drive the need for working together in a much more collaborative way. Organizations and processes are built to support the corporate strategy as effectively as possible. Corporate strategy is concerned with how companies create value across different businesses and requires the corporation to invest in a valuable set of resources, craft the business portfolio, and design the organizational structure, systems, and corporate functions to share activities or transfer skills across businesses. It's quite obvious that changing corporate strategies will have a direct impact on operations and lead to a greater need for collaboration. Collaboration is an essential part of most business processes, organizational structures, and activities. You must work more closely with your customers to integrate their partners into their business processes and reshape the way your customers develop new products and services to gain competitive advantage. To accomplish these goals, it's important to understand the things that influence corporate strategy and, indirectly, operations. Every change in markets, trends, and competition can influence operations, and collaboration is relevant for operations, so strategic influencers are also relevant for operations. Understanding the link between strategy and operations is essential. Other challenges for organizations are the consumerization of IT, continued proliferation of mobile devices, and 24/7 access to information and communications at home. These challenges change user expectations of collaboration applications and IT in general in the workplace. As employees become more dispersed and mobile, they want and need freedom in how and where they work to be truly effective, but it's not just about devices and locations. Executives still consider in-person collaboration imperative. Far beyond the executive suite, organizations are realizing that the use of rich video communications can transform the way stakeholders collaborate. Collaboration is about providing all the tools that people need to engage, everywhere and in every way necessary. The cloud is changing the way people access collaboration technologies. Business and IT leaders are looking to roll out services faster and boost business agility, while shifting capital expenditures or CapEx to operational expenditures or OpEx. Employees are demanding cloud-based applications. A bring-your-own application or BYOA trend is furthering the evolution of the bring-your-own-device or BYOD model. Over the years, companies have given employees a lot of tools to help teams work more collaboratively. It started out with tools provided by IT, email, phones, and document sharing tools, for example. Then the list grew to include mobile phones, web conferencing, video conferencing, and instant messaging. The situation became more complicated when employees started using their own consumer applications, even if those applications were officially prohibited, like Dropbox, Skype, Facebook, SlideShare, YouTube, and so on. The result is a highly fragmented, unproductive collaboration experience. Too often, you can't simply connect. Someone is on a different system, they're offline, you don't know their mobile number, or maybe video only works for executives. You also have to consider what happens to sensitive company communications and data within those consumer applications. Is it secure? Can companies pass on your personal contact information? What tools are your employees using today to collaborate? Do the tools you have in place allow you to meet your expectations and achieve your business goals? Are those tools helping your teams increase innovation and productivity? Are your employees using consumer-grade applications for business? They probably are, even if that use is not sanctioned. Is that acceptable in your business environment? Does it meet your customer data and intellectual property rights or IPR policies? What challenges are you seeing today with your collaboration tools? Certainly, you can ask many more questions of this kind, which emphasizes the complexity of the world of communication tools. This fragmentation is not just an issue for end users. The collaboration needs of small and mid-sized businesses are often just as complex and nuanced as those of larger enterprises. Supporting this highly interconnected way of working and the users who want greater flexibility and freedom in choosing the tools they use to collaborate is challenging for IT. IT teams have fewer members and they need to cover a broad range of general IT disciplines, and it's often hard to justify and prioritize investments in seemingly complex solutions. Furthermore, when considering communications and collaboration technologies, many IT organizations are limited by legacy time division multiplexing, or TDM, or key telephone systems that require too much of the IT team's time and budget in basic maintenance, and do not integrate well with the new generation of tools that your users need. This situation often leads to covert IT activities that threaten to expose security and compliance risks. Consequently, Cisco believes that making a big impact on business and helping employees in this hyper-connected work environment requires that customers take a bold, new approach to collaboration. The Cisco approach is to embrace these trends and support mid-sized businesses with enterprise-grade, fully featured, no-compromises collaboration solutions that are the correct size and reasonably priced for customer-based needs today and into the future. Solutions that are easy to deploy, manage, and use. How has the Cisco approach to these challenges evolved to maintain the relevance of Cisco solutions for customers? Let's examine this question in the next topic on the evolution and relevance of collaboration. Cisco mid-size collaboration solutions are designed for mid-size businesses and support their collaboration needs end-to-end. Cisco mid-size collaboration solutions include comprehensive end-to-end capabilities. Collaboration endpoints are designed to deliver the best user experience for any employee in any business. Cisco offers a broad range of collaboration endpoints, including new video-enabled endpoints that have resulted in 6 Red Dot Awards for product design. Unified Communications build a more connected workplace with rich video, mobile, and desktop voice telephony, messaging, and presence services. Cisco customer collaboration products create the foundation for positive customer service so that customers can build loyalty and drive business growth through your help desks and sales desks. Conferencing solutions help customers bring their employees, customers, and partners together to collaborate from anywhere with integrated voice, video, and content sharing. The collaboration needs of mid-sized businesses are just as complex as those of large enterprises. Cisco appreciates that mid-sized businesses do not have infinite IT resources available and has simplified collaboration with the Cisco mid-size collaboration solutions portfolio of turnkey products that reduce the complexity of multiple, siloed collaboration solutions from multiple vendors. Before looking at some details, let's clarify the term unified communications. The industry tends to interchange the terms unified communications and collaboration. Collaboration is more of a generic term describing various ways that people work together to reach a common goal. Unified communications is the integration of communication and collaboration tools into a single experience for users, encompassing telephony, web and video conferencing, customer care, instant messaging or IM, and presence, and the endpoints and clients on which these services are experienced. It's worth noting that Cisco is recognized as an industry leader by Gartner, IDC, and Forrester in each of these individual categories, as well as in holistic unified communications offerings. Cisco believes that to create simple solutions that people want to use to get work done, you have to deliver simple, compelling, and consistent experiences across a range of devices. The Cisco mission is to let people collaborate effectively with simple and consistent, no-compromises collaboration experiences in every room, on every desk, in every pocket, and in every application. From small and medium-sized meeting rooms to executive boardrooms and training suites, Cisco has systems that meet every need, including systems that can transform existing rooms with LCD panels into high-definition video collaboration spaces, starting from around the price of a high-end PC workstation. Cisco offers a range of products, from basic IP phone voice communications to fully integrated high-definition audio and video systems that reduce desktop clutter to enhance collaboration and improve productivity for desk-based workers, remote workers, and hot desks to meet any communication needs and budget. Cisco Jabber, WebEx, and Spark support high-definition video, audio, messaging, content sharing, and team collaboration securely from any device. Cisco will continue making this experience the most important factor that differentiates our solutions from the solutions of our competitors. Your customer might not need all of the available capabilities on day one, which is why Cisco builds comprehensive yet flexible collaboration solutions that let you tackle your customer's highest priorities and use cases first, and add more functionality later as priorities change and the organization grows. In a world of many clouds, many customers want flexibility and a choice of deployment models to take advantage of cloud services while meeting the requirements of their IT strategy, security, and compliance policies. There are tremendous opportunities in delivering collaboration services through a hybrid, on-premises, multi-cloud model. Cisco mid-size collaboration solutions can be delivered on-premises, from the cloud, or fused to offer the best of both worlds in what Cisco calls Cloud Fusion. These collaboration solutions can be deployed on-premises, in the data center or private cloud, using virtualized Cisco Business Edition collaboration solutions, packaged as a platform based on a secure, robust network with WAN and LAN infrastructure. Cisco-powered services and Cisco partner clouds, which include service providers, integrators, and resellers, have historically delivered robust telephony services, video, and applications. Cisco collaboration cloud services, such as Cisco WebEx and Cisco Spark, use an elastic consumption model that provides a foundation for rapid innovation. A true software as a service or SaaS model, WebEx Cloud is the second largest business-to-business cloud after Salesforce.com. Now let's take a look at the current and future opportunities in the mid-size market segment. Research shows that more than 50% of small and mid-sized businesses have yet to upgrade to IP PBX, creating a huge opportunity for Cisco partners as these legacy PBX and key systems become outdated and the market transition to IP systems accelerates dramatically over the next 3 years. Overall studies suggest that the total addressable market is more than $7 billion and does not include the kinds of services that can be offered by partners. As previously stated, there are many business challenges facing mid-sized companies, whether it's competing in a truly global market, the ever-increasing requirement for regulation and alignment with government policies, financial challenges, and the need for more product or service differentiation and innovation. Regulation and changes in compliance requirements are seen as a very heavy burden for mid-sized organizations. All of these issues drive the need for faster decision-making, involvement of experts within and outside the organization, and better ways to collaborate. There are many opportunities in the market, both tactical and strategic. You should always make sure that you understand how relevant your solution is for the customer and anticipate any risks that the customer might see. If you have this information, you can help your customer understand how you can help mitigate the risks and provide an appropriate solution. And last but not least, time is always a critical element. It's important to understand how your customer's current systems are working, the kinds of support contracts that are in place, and any other changes that are planned for the future. In this module, we looked at many challenges and the changing environments that face our mid-sized customers. We examined why collaboration is more important today and will be even more important in the future in addressing these challenges. We hope that the material in this module has provided you with a better understanding of the business drivers for Cisco mid-size collaboration solutions. Let's move on to the next module, Understanding the Value of Cisco Mid-size Collaboration Solutions. Hello and welcome to the Understanding the Value of Cisco Mid-size Collaboration Solutions module of the Cisco Mid-size Collaboration Solutions for Account Managers course. This module describes the Cisco offerings for the mid-size business market. In this module, we'll discuss the following topics: Cisco Mid-size Collaboration Solutions and key differentiators, Cisco Business Edition 6000 solutions in the integrated Cisco collaboration architecture, Cisco Business Edition 6000 pricing and licensing, competitive landscape, and alignment of Cisco mid-size collaboration solutions with customer business needs. Let's start by looking at the Cisco offerings and differentiators. The Cisco Business Edition portfolio of collaboration packages offer turnkey solutions that reduce the complexity of siloed collaboration solutions from multiple vendors. With Cisco's packaged collaboration solutions, your customers can deploy collaboration within their businesses easier for many reasons. Cisco's packaged collaboration solutions are productized, so they're easy to order, pre-configured so the platforms come preloaded and ready to activate, and simplified for easy and fast installation, deployment, and use, and are all managed centrally on virtualized servers. The complexity is removed, as are the silos that hinder true collaboration among employees, customers, and partners. The portfolio boasts many attributes that decision leaders across companies of all sizes are choosing for their organizations. First, the portfolio is a complete service offering with end-to-end collaboration capabilities for voice, video, conferencing, messaging, IM and presence, mobility, and more for every user on any device from any location. The portfolio also offers differentiated communications to create cost-effective, high-quality multi-party video conferencing that brings employees, customers, and partners together. The portfolio's flexible cost model lets your customers pay as they grow and scale platforms to support business needs. Deployment and management are simpler. Pre-configured virtualized servers come with ready-to-run virtualization software and ready-to-activate collaboration applications that reduce time to dial tone and ongoing administration. This portfolio includes an open and interoperable architecture that transparently supports third-party applications, telepresence, and video endpoints. And finally, the portfolio offers scalable, highly available platforms with a built-in ability to grow and change to keep pace with business. All of these business benefits lead to lower IT operational costs, more efficient IT, while at the same time providing improved and consistent user experience, regardless of devices or modes of communication. The guiding principles for Cisco packaged collaboration solutions are user-demanded designs and mobile-driven experiences from the boardroom to the browser. Mobility is powering new ways to work for end users and disrupting the dominance of the location-bound desktop. These packaged solutions support a mobile-first, experience-centric product design with integrated hardware, software, and networks. These solutions can be connected to Cisco's cloud collaboration platform to deliver a seamless, efficient experience by securely fusing on-premises and cloud functions. You can create a hybrid cloud solution for customers that seamlessly combines on-premises capabilities with additional services from the Cisco Collaboration Cloud. You can also launch new services in the business workflow, with Cisco offering